Hello my friends, I am Marietta and I welcome you. Whoops, you saw that piece fall on the ground. That was really scary. It fell on its face and it didn't get damaged. And I wanted to leave that in here to let you know how strong these pieces are. It's pretty incredible. Still makes my heart race, and it's just crazy that it happened, but that's life, right? Sometimes you just don't think about placing these pieces. They're top heavy and they tend to fall down. So let's go ahead and watch the video. Hello my friends, I am Marietta and I welcome you to Marietta's Art Show. Today I'm going to show you how I created this piece. I called it Golden Haze. The gold that I use is, as usual, it is a rose gold. It is not that bright yellow gold that you see a lot of places. I really don't like that, as you know. So this gold is absolutely gorgeous. I added a lot of silvers to it, dark silver, light silver, and the cells are simply amazing in this piece. And it's really hard to appreciate looking at it like this. Make sure you stay to the end because I'll show a very close-up video of this piece, and that's where the appreciation of this is. It's a very soft, misty kind of feel, and it fits in any decor. So without further going on about how amazingly beautiful the little details are, let's go ahead and watch the video, and I'll see you after. Welcome back. I hope you understand what I meant by the close-up being really beautiful and lacy and soft and just shimmery. I really appreciate you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. It helps me spread the love of art to as many people as I can. Until the next time, bardzo dziękuję. Thank you so much for watching.